Hello guys, this is part 2 of this game. So I've actually upgraded my stuff a lot. So I'm just gonna fill this up and then I'm gonna show you where people work out because it's really good. Almost there. Yay! Big, strong man. But I'm a girl. Look how I look. You. It's still locked. Are you kidding me? Okay. Um. Oh, I also want to show you guys something. So pretend you're just walking out, right? I'm gonna do this one because it's closer. Just walk in normally. You run into these. You can collect the energy, and it gives you more. It's really cool how it does that. But I'm gonna go home. Hold on, don't look. Don't look. Okay. So first we have a janitor. We got one. Okay. We walk in. We got some plants. We got vending machine. We upgraded these mats. We got those. We're moving these over. Ooh, that's a lot of money. Select it. Let's move this. Oh, yeah. And we got something new that you guys haven't seen yet. I'm going to get another one of them because I have enough. Hopefully I have enough for this one. Wish me luck. Yay! Okay. This is what we got. It's brand new. And this is how buff I am. Let's get this. I wish like the roof was taller because it's really low. It's like really annoying. There. That's my janitor. Oh wow, that's a lot. So equipment, I have a lot of stuff that I can get. I might get another one of these. I probably actually am, which I just did. Is it the same way? Yeah. I don't think. Oh, I can't upgrade it. Okay. Okay. There. And I can't upgrade that until I buy this one. For some reason it looks smaller, but we're not gonna worry about that. It's 90,000. Treadmill's over there. And yeah. I am going. No, my gym's full. I wanted to buy another punching bag to put right here. I'm gonna be right back. I'm back. I didn't really do anything. I just had to get a drink. I actually am not gonna sell it. I was thinking about it, but yeah. I don't think I've seen someone actually use this. Oh! Someone is using it. But you just move as soon as I get a good view of it. Oh! Yeah. You can upgrade your gym. No, I literally can't. That needs to be a level 10. This needs to be a level 10. Yeah. This probably also needs to be level 10. Nope, level 9. Wait, is this 9 or 10 that we're gonna get? No, it's level 9. This needs a level 9. This needs a level 10. This needs a level 10. This needs a level 9. And this probably needs a level 10. Oh, and we got little cute pants. So this is what my gym looks on the outside. I don't know what this car is. Wait, I could drive it? No, it costs money, like Robux. No. Yeah, okay. Wait, I thought I saw something in the back. Wow, it's literally like just windows. Oh, I thought I saw something in the back. I don't know. Well, this is working. We're going to go to my gym. Ugh, it's still locked. Let's try and get super strongman. I'll be back when I get it, okay? Time strength in 2 seconds. That's why I wanted to stop. Yay! Can I go here now? Ugh, it's still locked. Okay, now I'll actually be back when it's up. That's where these come into play. I only have barely any energy. Oh, wait, go home. This. And ta-da! We got the next level. I didn't finish it, but the next level. Equipment. Okay, so. Oh, money. Oh man, the money went away. No, 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 let me collect some. Let me collect some. Okay, I collected some because I wasn't here for the rush. This is working out. No, 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 go away. That's why it has the bubble around it, because it's gonna go away soon. Okay. Let's see how much I earned. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, I don't hate. I just don't like how sometimes, like, if it moves, you have to move all your stuff. Because I like my stuff against the wall, in my opinion, it looks better. That's why you can see that there's nothing in the middle area. Wait, I can upgrade these. Yay! I want to see what it looks like. It's blue and it doesn't have the thing on it anymore. Yay! Let's move them. Sorry, bruh. I'm gonna have to kick you off. These can stay. Wait, oh, these were level 10. These were level 9. Let's see what they look like. Bruh. It said a level 9, guys. Was this a level 9? Yes. That looks really nice. Oh, I can upgrade these. These are really cheap. What? That's what they look like. Oh my gosh. Oh, I get a lot of tickets. Tickets per minute. I get 230. Now how much do I get? 1,000. Ooh, can we upgrade this? No, we can't. It's really expensive. We're gonna work out. Ugh, still locked. Okay, well, I'm gonna be back when I run out of energy. Well, I came back when I ran out of energy. Let's do one more, I guess. Let's search for the things that give you free energy. Free energy. Let's go over there. There's one over there. Yay! Oh, let's go over there. I wish I was fast. These cost gems. I have, like, I could buy this. Yeah. I don't have pubium, so I can't buy, like, these. I don't have 1,000. I could buy this. I can. Oh my god, these are fast. Ah! Oh my god, I drive so fast. Slow down, slow down. Look the energy. Oh my god. I literally can go so fast. Like, I don't want a different car because I go way too fast. I wish I bought the other one that was cheaper because this goes a little too fast for my like gags. I'll be back.